What is up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that will interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team so you could be lit like us, getting your shmoney together. Okay, what's up, queens and kings? As you guys can tell from the title of the video, this is a sinking funds update for March 2023. We're just going to see where we are right now, currently, as of March 2023. So first, we're going to jump into our high priority binder. We have emergency fund, which the last time I updated it, we had $700. So we actually did reach our goal, our first initial goal of $1,000. So currently we have 1,000, 10, 20, 1,025. So I'll put the 1,025, and I believe today is the next fund that we're going to look into. And please excuse my background if it's super loud. My son has been very, very busy lately. Buffer has nothing in it. We did reach our $500 goal, and that was actually transferred over to my checking account for Christmas. Let's see what we have for Christmas. So for Christmas, we have 50, 100, 120. So we have $120. We're going to go into the car fund. So we have been trying to beef this up. I know I was expressing how important my car maintenance fund was, because that was one of the main things that kept me dipping into my emergency fund before I actually reached the initial goal. So currently in the car fund, we have 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 320, 40, 60, 80, 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 540. So we have $545 in the car fund, which is awesome. Tickets and fees. Guess what, guys? We actually emptied out tickets and fees. It's currently at $0. We actually paid all of our tickets and fees with the exception of 2, which will be getting paid very soon. And then my car registration and everything is coming up. You know where I am. I may possibly just take it out of the car fund. Okay, so for birthdays, we had nothing in birthdays before. We did beef up birthdays a little bit because, as you know, my daughter, myself, and my son Trent's birthdays are coming up. So in birthdays, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, $700 in birthdays. So we can put... My handwriting is terrible. Home, let's see what we have at home. We currently have $25 in home. This is actually already updated. So for vacay, we should still have $200. So in vacay we have $100, $200, $201.
We need to add to this.
ASAP. Myself. For the queen that I have, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 105. Family fun, we actually just emptied this out. I don't believe there is anything left in family fun. Nope, we have nothing in family fun, and there is also nothing in dental. Now we can go into our low priority sinking funds, and I think these are pretty much the same. I haven't really been tackling my low priority. Yeah, so this is my savings account. We have $60. That's accurate. Miscellaneous, I believe I did update. Miscellaneous has $15. Other holidays, I believe is still saying $3. That's accurate. Credit card payments, there's nothing in there. Subscriptions, nothing in there. Advocacy, nothing in there. Clothes, we do have $150. I'm going to take this out because there is no longer $150 in this sinking fund. I do remember there being $30.
In my high yield savings for this account, so we're just going to put 30, and I'm going to actually put the prop money in it once I get off camera.
Business expenses also has $30, even though this says $5. There is no, not business expenses. This is correct. This is business expenses. This is correct. It's the business emergency fund that has business taxes is the same. Business emergency fund. Now this one, okay, this is accurate. This has $36 in it. I did put the prop money in there, but I didn't write it on the tracker. So that is going to be that. And I'd be saying, where's the prop money? The prop money is right here. Okay, last but not least, we're going into the children's binder, which Mackenzie has 20, 40, 50, $60, which we are going to take $10 out because she actually took $7 worth of my change to buy candy bars for herself from her school. So she will be taking $10 out of her account to cover that, because I told baby girl, put my change back and stop playing with me, okay? We save our change around here. So Mackenzie has now, I didn't even write it down, I'm tripping. Mackenzie now has $50. Close my door and please leave. Little baby, he has 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. I don't think he owes any debts, so he has 55. big baby, he has $20. Update the tracker. So that basically sums up my sinking funds update, guys. I am super duper proud of where I am with my financial journey. I am like just so happy for the love and support that I have gotten from the community, and I just really want to put it out there that even if you have a low income, you still have the ability to pay your bills, number one, periods, and you know, still save for certain goals or certain sinking funds that you want. You have it in your budget. A lot of people feel like, oh, I don't make enough money, or this and this and that, but sometimes you just got to break it down and you got to look at everything as a whole. You are a real one. And leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments if you made it all the way to the end of the video. If you're not subscribed, baby, what is you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team so you could be lit like us, baby, and get your shmoney together.